My skincare for the summer is ready, on point, and yours can be too. I'm doing this live in the first day of summer. I will be helping you to layer your skincare routine because it's not about your skin, it's the way that you either have your products being used most of the time or the way that you skip one of them. So I did in a very simple way. It's only 4 steps. It's very easy. First step, double cleanse. You're gonna do an oil-based cleanser. I'm gonna have the products from Cosmedix because it's the line that I use and the line that I have official at Cosmedix Fabrico. But you can see in the bio, and I'm gonna put in the description below. You can go and you can search something similar. The oil-based cleanser that I use is the Purity Solution. The Purity Solution melts everything that doesn't belong to your pretty face, like pollution or leftover of makeup. The secret is not in what you put in your skin, how you take it out. After you did an oil-based cleanser, you do a water-based cleanser. And we have RX, you have Benefit Clean, Purity Clean, all of those from Cosmedix. After that, you're gonna have a toner. Why I'm showing these products? Because these products really, when you cleanse your face, especially if you live in Miami or New York, where the water is very alkaline, your toner is what is gonna make the whole difference for you, because your toner is gonna regulate your pH to slightly acid. And the benefit balance is gonna help with fusing antioxidants and mattifying your skin. This cannot be skipped. So, double cleanse, toner. After that, you do your serum. And here, ladies, is where I see a lot of ladies, they skip the serum and they go to makeup. Why? It's not ideal. If you have your skin cleansed and beautiful, you wanna immediately do your serum. Think about frosting a cake without the cake being cooked. If you do that, it's the same thing. You cannot really have, you can do whatever you want to do, but I really suggest you to let your serum sink in, wait 5 minutes. If you want a skin that is going to be glowing and beautiful, you have your intentions. Your intention starts to become words. As you start to speak more, you start to have actions, like watching videos like that. This is what makes you have that intention to materialize. Then your actions become your habits. Then you put your serum. Here, I changed to Pepoxide. It's an amazing serum. It has 16 antioxidants and has 1 hexapeptide that is broken amino acids that it's actually easier for your body to absorb in form of collagen. You want to fight the free radicals because in the summer we have more oxidation. So after you did that, you're gonna go to your moisturizer and an SPF. I use Peptide-Rich Defense for one reason. My skin is oily. And ladies, this is the opportunity that you have to mix this product with your concealing or your base. And then you do your makeup. If you have dry skin, I incorporated for one of my guests, Harmonize, because it's a lightweight moisturizer. So, and it's gonna actually preserve your microbiome. So it's a beautiful way to moisturize your skin, lock in moist, and then you do your sunscreen with your base and everything else. This is a very simple way. I'm gonna even repeat: double cleanse, toner, serum, moisturizer with SPF. Always I say, be preventive, that this way you're not gonna have to do other, steps later to actually fix something that you could have done since the beginning. Thank you so much, and I really would like as well for you to send this to someone that think that you can put the same sunscreen that you put in your body, on your face, because your face, you have facial expressions, you have a thinner skin, we must have a different SPF for our face and to treat different than we treat to your body. So thank you so much. Have an amazing summer.